Welcome back to my channel. In this video guide, I will show you how to fix Umamusume pretty Derby Gamepad or controller not working problem. So the very first thing you have to do is to restart your PC. For that, click on the Windows icon, click on Power, select Restart. This will restart your PC. After that, launch the game and check if Gamepad or controller is working or not. If not, next is to update your controller drivers. For that, you have to first connect your PC and controller. After that, you have to go to the search option. From here, you have to search for Device Manager. Here you have to expand human interface devices, select a controller, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your controller drivers. After that, launch the game and check if controller is working or not. If not, next is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this may take some time, wait for it. Once the game files are verified, launch the game and check if controller is working. Next is to enable or disable Steam input. For that, go to Steam, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, click on controller. Here you have to select enable Steam input and then check if controller is working. If this doesn't work, come back again, select disable Steam input and then check if it's working. If this also doesn't work, come back again, select default settings and move to the next method. Next is to update Windows. So for that, go to the search option, search for check for updates. This will take you to the Windows update page. Here you have to click on check for updates option. Wait for it and if there is any update available, update your Windows to the latest version and after that launch the game and check if controller is working. Next is to press Alt plus Enter keys. So many experts suggest to press Alt plus Enter keys as this is one of the best ways to resolve the problem. If it doesn't work, next method is if you are using wired plug, then unplug it and replug it once again and after that launch the game and check. If it doesn't work, next method is to enter big picture mode. So after going to Steam under library section, select your game. Here in the above section you can see enter big picture mode. Simply click on it. After that you have to select your game and after selecting it, click on the play button and check if it's working. After that, click on Steam option, click on power and then select exit big picture mode. So after you have done this, now try to play the game and check if gamepad or controller is working or not. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.